ScaleFocus develops software solutions and provide advanced technology services. It was founded in 2012 in Bulgaria by professionals with a strong track record in enterprise IT. Today, ScaleFocus has a client base over 50 companies across EMEA and North America. The combination of active business engagement and predictive risk management is a major driver of our creative team spirit and enables our international expansion.
ScaleFocus has managed to take a leading position in global technology projects, and this is a tremendous achievement for a company of our size and short history. We have become a reliable contributor in the IT advancement of three major industries: financial, insurance, and telecommunications. Our team has been involved in projects as credible partner for IBM, HP, Teradata, Telekom Austria Group, KBC Group, BNP Paribas, and Telenor. Pursuing the corporate plans for a global footprint, ScaleFocus has opened a new delivery center in the second largest city of Bulgaria, Plovdiv, and a wholly owned subsidiary company in London, UK. ScaleFocus has won multiple awards and is one of the fastest growing companies in Europe. In 2 years, we have received recognitions by Forbes, the Stevie Awards, and other independent business organizations.
The ingredients needed to build a sustainable, prosperous, and socially responsible business are: first, maintain a talented, motivated, and always learning team. ScaleFocus started with a team of 2 and grew to 160 people in 2.5 years. The team leaders believe that envisioning success creates confidence and motivation in people. Second, understand the uniqueness of each customer and deliver perceived real value for their business.
At ScaleFocus, we are passionate about what we do. We care about the details of the work process and we commit to go the extra mile. Our formula of progress is based on the ABC: ability, breakthrough, and courage. Over the course of the last year, the revenue and the profit growth is a result of ScaleFocus' proven capability to innovate, overcome challenge, and think big.
Why vote for us? We bring great ideas to life. Today, IT is all about making life easier, enabling people and businesses to do more and foster positive change through innovation and dedication. ScaleFocus has been created with the idea for sustainable development through the years. This business model proves to be successful now and empowers us to find working solutions. We are confident that we can push change further. This means our greatest achievements are yet to come. You can be a part of this advancement by voting for ScaleFocus.